Now it's time for the hardest one of the lot, in my opinion. This is a Samsung model. I'm doing it the wrong way because I've been just putting together my Sky+ boxes, which you just saw the video of. Because these screws go all the way down here. I'll get back to you once I've done it. And we're back. What I done, I took out this screw right here. You then do these clips here, there's one missing here, and you just slide out. That should be enough. There you go. Now this is the inside. This is where I know more now. I actually do these right. One screw. Found the right drill bit. And screws out. There you go. And lift it out. Right. Next, so I'm just going to leave that there. We got some more screws. I'm going to try with this screwdriver first. So, right, here you go. If you can't just use your, drill. There you go, out. Then, it's lifting. Switch to the other side. There's another one. Now, as I remove the screw on the bucket, yeah, might go for that, but there you go. It's fully lifted off now. So you're going to put that to that side because I haven't unplugged all that, Here we go. See the hard drive? Here we go. We're getting close now. Unplug this, unplug this, unplug this, and now this is when you get your screw. What is stopping this anyway? Nothing. There you go. Now that's out. Put it there. That's some. 1, 2, and hey presto, hard drive out. Thank you, bye bye.